Ki pulit Karibhoy district hakamit ngisajan hadin mekalio jengtip pagadon kapla kabala shui hajan jokeying jong uba ne lang lengdo marmar kilamare sya ketu kejaka ban pej bat bantokit benya bat hadin kejing pej bat kejing tokit benya nakaliang jong ki pulit Karibhoy kila pentip sya kakenhun ki K9 bat ka bom disposal squad na Shillong Hagaba kanika kanhun marmar kalahiar Sharibhoy district man penlong ya kejing toket. Hadin kejing toket jong kanika kanhun kilalap ba kahapo jong kanika pla kadon ki mar penbethei lani uta u bomb improvised explosive device ubalashna lengba gelatin stick rangkat kejing penbethei electric. Nagalang ki pulit kala penlip no mardor ya uni u bom bat kejing toket kadang ya chakman. Shushu nagaliang ki pulit ki laithuru ba menta ki pulit ki dang penlong ya kejing twet ya ki beri ki badon kiti ha kene kakam bat kadhadu menta amsem palayo kem ya ki beri ki badon kiti hanrai ki pulit ki layo ksai ya kita ki beri ki badon benta ha kene kakam.
Around 7:30 p.m. we got an information that there is an abandoned bag lying in one of the buildings in the Umsning market. So based on that information, we immediately rushed the team. The bomb disposal squad came from Shillong. The K9 squad also came. And after taking all the precautions as per SOP, we found out that there was an IED, most probably using gelatin as explosives and electric detonators. So it was diffused successfully by our BDDS team, and we have seized all the materials and investigation is going on. We have a suspect. We are trying to arrest him as quickly as possible.
So right now, sir, which means no arrests have been made so far.
Not yet, but it is highly likely that we'll pick him tonight.
Sir, it seems as we can.
To comment upon that, what was the motive behind doing all this? But we have a suspect. We are trying to pick him up. It can happen anytime soon. So we are on it.